Alright, so this is an electric Cybertruck. It's a replica. Obviously it's kind of small, but it's really great for play around with your kids or even to give it away as a present. So let's kind of open it up right here. As you can tell, this is how it looks. And this is the remote control. This is how you operate and change the battery. So I want to open it up, see what's in the box. Okay, so we have a remote control, and then we have the truck. I'm gonna remove that case, box actually. And this is basically what it comes in the box. Okay, so it comes with 2 AA batteries for the remote control, and it has a screwdriver so you can remove the caps from the remote control. This is the battery for the truck, and it comes with another battery and the charger for the battery. So it has 2 batteries for the truck and 2 batteries for the remote control. I have my own electric screwdriver, which is more faster to do, so I'm going to use that to put the batteries in the compartment. So this is an electric driver that I use. Turn it on and you can go forward, backwards. So I'm going to open it up real quick. Okay, so I'm ready. I'm going to open it up. So I'm going to put the battery in the remote control. This part right here, the minus part goes into the grill here. And then we're going to put back the cap, close it down, and I'm going to very easy. One thing that I noticed is the remote control that has a switch. So once you put it there, it's already on. So this is the switch actually. And then we're ready to go. So now let's move on to the Cybertruck. I'm gonna put this over here. Same thing. I'm gonna use my power tool. Very easy. Doesn't take too much power, to be honest, to open it. And remove the cap. And as you can tell, you can put 4 AA batteries, or you can use the rechargeable batteries, which is actually more. It will be cheaper to use. So just double check, make sure that the way that you put this in the proper way. So it's actually this way. So I'm gonna put it there and clip it. Now the battery is on. We're gonna put it in the compartment and we're gonna close it. Doesn't take too much power, to be honest. Okay, it's there. And I'm gonna turn the truck on and off. It doesn't light up even though it is on. It lights up once you start using it. Okay, if you do left and right, it's very responsive. Cool. Now it's gonna light up when we go forward or backward. Back light lights up when we do backwards. And the lights in the front, it lights up when we do forward. Very cool. So now we're ready to play around. Let's go.